It was late at night and I was in bed watching TV when I heard what sounded like someone tapping the ceiling. I assumed it was the wind, or maybe some birds, but then I noticed that the tapping was coming from right above my head, so I got my phone out and started filming. And then I realized that the tapping was actually coming from underneath the floorboards. So I stopped filming and just listened. And that's when I heard footsteps. Someone was walking back and forth on the floor above me. I'll never forget the look on my wife's face when I told her about it. She was just as scared as I was. We started talking in hushed voices and making up all sorts of scenarios in our heads. Then we started hearing what sounded like screams in the night. Was it a wild animal? Was it a person? Was I losing my mind? I don't know, but one thing's for sure, we never found out what was up there.